Hi, welcome back. This is the Price Action Analyst YouTube video channel. I just wanted to do a quick video on Citigroup, which I shorted today with a put option, just a naked put. This is the 6-month chart, previous low here. This is the COVID price action. You can see it's gone below that pivot, washed it, prices come up, and when it's retested, it's basically proceeded to move higher. There was another kind of push lower here, but it's basically proceeded to move higher. You can frame that price action with trend lines, and you can see that 2 days ago price has broken out. There's a volume spike there. So what this price action's got going against me is that price is pretty strong here. Like I'm fighting a new uptrend. So why would I go short here? So there's a few reasons. This is a very minor one. If you draw a line against those lines here, you could argue that that's a retest of a trend line. More importantly, however, these gaps here, that gap there, that gap there, and this previous high here, these are all areas where I would expect to see renewed selling pressure. So there's two reasons: the trend line, the gaps. Also, price has now stepped right outside of the Bollinger Band, and you can already see from Friday's price action that price opened, it rallied a little bit into that gap, so it's kind of gone into the middle of that gap. It didn't quite close it, but it's immediately sold off. So you can already see the selling pressure. So you've got price stepping outside of the Bollinger Band, you've got selling pressure, and when price was still outside of the Bollinger Band, I decided to go short. So we will see what happens. I'll keep you updated, but I thought I'd just make a video. You want to avoid fighting, when price is roaring up like this, you generally want to avoid fighting it. But, there were too many factors here for me to ignore this short. I was too tempted. Also, if you subscribe to Bollinger Bands, you're always going to be taking contrarian trades when price has stepped out of the Bollinger Band. This is just very aggressive, so it's a scary trade. And we'll see what happens. But I only really need, with a naked put, I only really need 2 or 3 days of good selling pressure, and I can get out for the profit that I'm looking for. And the way that I've done that, I've already put an order to sell the option at a 75% profit. So, if I get that selling pressure, the moment it gets to my price, that order is going to be filled. So I don't even need to be in front of the screen for it. So that is Citigroup. I'll keep you updated. Oh, one other thing I'll just mention. When you get really strong price action down like this, you generally get a second leg down. Same on the upside. So where you had that high and that high and that high, but even off this one, where you had that sort of resistance level and price wash that, normally you expect or look for price to come back and retest or go below that low, and price hasn't done that here. It's kind of gone an uptrend. There was an attempt there. You can see it washed this high, and you had selling pressure, and there was an attempt to sort of test this low, but it didn't quite do it, and it's broken out on the upside. But that said, when I get a 50% retracement of this movement down, so anywhere around here, I'd also expect to see, again, nothing's guaranteed, but I'm waiting to see signals of selling pressure. So, there's 3 or 4 reasons there that are pretty good as to why I'd get short there. My main concern is the strength going against me, but, all you can do is take a position, and then I'll keep you updated as to what happens with the price action. Thanks for watching.